Welcome to the How to Create Users tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to create users for your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. How to create a user as a site admin or site manager, and 2. How to add new user fields. Topic 1. How to create a user. There are two ways to create a new user. Via the Dashboard tab Users, and then Add New, or via the Add New tab on the Users List screen. Topic 2. Add new user fields explained. The username required will be the login username for the new user. The email required will be the email associated with the new user. This is also used for the password reset. The first name is the user's first name, last name, user's last name, and the website. If the user has a website, for example, if they're a blog writer and are also writing blogs for your website, you may choose to add their website in. Language, the language that the backend shows up in. Password, you can generate a password for the new user or use the pre-generated password as a temporary password. The password can then be changed later by the new user. Send user notification. On by default, you can select whether the new user needs an email that notifies them of their new user account. Role. As a site admin, you can select what role this user will have. You can set it to a secondary site admin, site manager, or site editor. As a site manager, this option will not be available to you and will automatically set new users to a site editor. Please note, it's recommended to only have 1 to 2 site admins. You've now learned how to create users for your website.